What is up, Dingles Crypto? So we're going to go over one of my favorite protocols, and that is Melon Finance, and it's going to be rebranded as Enzyme Finance shortly this week. So keep that in mind, but it's an asset management. So if you ever wanted to start your own hedge fund or asset management fund, you can do it in 30 minutes. Just it's going to cost you $500, but you could do it in 30 minutes and officially have your own asset management fund. So stay tuned. This is an awesome episode. We're going to go really into the weeds of Melon and their upgrade. They just recently announced an upgrade. So right here, Melon provides a platform for fund managers and investors to operate in a way which is secure, transparent, efficient, and dramatically less costly than traditional finance. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to set up my own fund here shortly. I just wanted to show you guys something. I might call it Dingles Crypto. Hey, if you want to invest, you can invest. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, shoot a sub. We got 67. I feel like we're going up and up. Let's keep it going. I appreciate each and every one of you. Shoot me a follow at Dingle Crypto on Twitter, because we're the hardest ice cream cone, and TikTok because short little fun videos. And then let's jump in right into the token. I don't know if they're rebranding the token as well, because Melon is the name, and it's been doing well since the announcement of V2. I mean, it's been doing okay, right? So if you go back 30 days, looking good, real good actually. Melon is a very, very good project. It's under the radar. Let me say that again, under the radar. Nobody's talking about it, but it's looking spicy, looking hot. Get MetaMask interface with all these protocols. Easy. Okay, so here we go again. What does Melon solve? Provides a platform for fund managers and investors to operate. And let's go right into the interface. Very nice interface, but the V2 interface is looking much better. You'll see that in a little bit. But look at this. So basically, you can invest. If you like, see, you can since inception, click on any of these. So this guy, I looked into this guy because I was like, holy shit, 1.5 million%. No, it doesn't work like that. But since inception, well, I fucked this one up, huh? But month to date, I mean, pretty respectable returns. Most of these guys are just holding Melon or have a substantial Melon. But I mean, let's jump into just a normal Rhino fund. Let's jump in and look at this. I set this one up. It looks good. 3 months since inception, looks good. So you buy a token, and now assets under management 1.1 milli. So that's nice. Price change today 1.75. You can click invest and go ahead and invest, and then you get a token that represents his fund, right? And if you go down, you can see the fund diligence. Doesn't know what that means. Just some random financials. Performance fee, trash. See, that's, I mean, man. See, you could make your own fund, call it Rhino Fund, and just fucking put 10% in, like, I don't know. 20% is a lot, man. 20% is a lot. But see, this is what I'm talking about, transparency. You can see every trade they've done. That you can see every trade they have done, right? So it's extremely awesome to see that, and they've done a lot of trades. So you can see you can see that, and I'm going to set up my own here shortly. But one thing I wanted to show you prior to setting it up, see, I started it. It's called Dingle Crypto Fund, right? So if you see it, invest a little bit, you know? I will have like a 0.1% success fee because fuck it. But look at this. Create participation contract. This is just one contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Look at this. $64. Pretty expensive there. And then the rest are probably similar. I mean, these are sophisticated contracts on the Ethereum network. So that's why they're pretty expensive. So let's move on to some docs, because I know everybody likes docs. So this is pretty much the development team right here. I'll get into them later. But that's pretty much it. These are the assets you can trade. there you go. And they're integrating more, maybe with the new interface that they're coming out with. There will be more tokens as well. But let's move on. Regulatory. Mama is a lobby group with all these people. So that's pretty cool, huh? And they lobby for... Mama believes that if code can perform the job intended by other financial intermediaries and processes, then it should be allowed to do so with as few barriers as possible. So it's basically just lobbying for non-regulation, which makes sense. I like that. I don't like regulation much. But here's the Discord. Look at this. Influencers can bring a lot of adoption if they create funds for their followers. Hey, I'm just playing. I just saw this and I'm like, wow, this is kind of ironic that I'm doing this video. And I mean, I'm not any sort of an influencer, but that's kind of funny, right? But it's a pretty active community. I've seen more active communities, but there you go. A sneak peek of V2, right? Get involved. I know I want to start promoting these projects saying, hey, if you want to get involved with this team, if you like this project, which I do, reach out to them and say, hey, this X, Y, and Z. Crypto is all about helping people. And if you help projects, like either just you don't even need no technical skills. You can just maybe make a tutorial video like I'm doing, or maybe be a Discord server mediator, or just write articles for them. Crypto's all about that, and most projects will reward you in some sort of way, whether that is just being able to know the developers of a good project, and maybe in the future that your network is your net worth. There we go. But no, I mean, that's how you get into the crypto community, and that's what I'm trying to do with this, as well as I've been trying to reach out to people and say, hey, I want to do this for your project because your project looks really interesting. So that's why I'm saying I'm going to start doing get involved pages, because almost every protocol has those. So if you want to get involved with Melon, there you go. Their Twitter, V2. Let's watch this video. Rewind. Full page. Play it. So this is going to be the interface. You can see they make a pie chart. FOMO Capital is first. Alpaca. There you go. There's the interface. Looks good. Looks good. Hey, Uni. Was that on the token page? So maybe Uni will be added. Looks good. I mean, nothing too shabby. Not too shabby. But let's go ahead. Oh, also they partnered with Rary Capital. It's just an investment firm, I believe. Almost positive on that. Here we go. Avantgarde Finance. Man, why do they have to make so complicated names? I can't but basically this is their website, and here's the people that work on them. I mean, they've been putting in work. I mean, they've been doing well. Got a woman CEO. So, I mean, women CEOs, they're legit. I mean, I didn't look into her at all, but women CEOs get the job done. Founder. There we go. I will want to work for her. No, I'm just playing, but women CEOs, man, they know what they're doing most of the time. I like seeing women CEOs. But that's all I have for today. Comment the protocol you want me to go through next. I really enjoyed Melon. Awesome project. But rebranding as Enzyme, so keep that in mind. But leave a like, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.